Hello viewers, we are going to discuss on the topic boys versus girls. Who is better, boys or girls? My name is Rahul and she is Sonam and she is our moderate Tanya.
Hi. Hi, I am Sonam. I am in favor of girls. Girls can do their work with responsibility, but boys cannot do their work with responsibility because they busy with their friends.
I think so. Here, if you are talking about responsibilities, then boys also take, their responsibilities of family, jobs. So many things are there to handle. So I think so. You are not, correct with this matter. So this is my opinion that we also take responsibilities.
What you said, it's maybe right, but what Sonam saying is better than you.
You are taking favor of her because you are also a girl. That's why you're taking her favor. So I think so. You both are not correct on this matter that we don't take responsibilities. We also take responsibilities.
But girls can handle all the responsibility together. They taking care of their parents and also work outside.
I think so. Boys also go to job and they, mentally they take pressure of their families, their job, so many things outside. So I think so. You are not correct at this point.
Girls can manage all the field, whether it is office work, business, serving the country or social work. Girls have more power than boys.
Of course, there is no doubt that girls are, advancing and they are coming forward. But you can't say that, boys don't handle their responsibilities and so many things. So you may be right, and I'm also right. So what should be the decision? It's pending. I think so. Don't say that I'm correct or you are correct. So it should be what pending.
But girls keep their house, mostly girls keep their house in apple pie order, but boys don't do this.
Okay, with this matter, you can't say that boys are bad. We also keep our house in apple pie order. Sometimes some exceptions you can see, they keep their house at sixes and sevens. So I think so. You are not correct. You are not right.
But where there is no girl in the house look like deserted house. But where there is a girls, the house look like they with happiness.
Yeah, of course. I am agreed with this matter. I am agreed with this point that where there is no girl, how the house does not feel like home. It is only a house. It does not give you a feeling like home. So I'm agreed with this. Okay.
Sorry, but I think you both are wrong. Nowadays, boys and girls both are spending their time with their friends, not caring their parents, and just roaming with their friends. I think blood is thicker than water.
But in the term of caring of parents, girls are more sincere than boys.
How could you say the girls are more sincere than boys? What she said, it's right that blood is thicker than water. But what's wrong there is that we are spending time with friends. But I think so disobedient is not good. So taking care of parents and spending time with friends, they should be in equal. The time should be manageable. I think so. So there is nothing wrong spending time with friends.
But some people don't understand their parents' caring is also important.
You know that some people, you said some people, so some people means there may be girl or boy. So
But mostly we say saw boys do this.
boys do this. I think so. I do care of my parents. I take care of my parents as well, and as well I spend my time with my friends. I can manage my time. So some exceptions should be there. And I'm not talking about boys or girls. Both are responsible. Both have this responsibilities that manage the time, and you can spend your time with friends. You can take care of parents. So time should be manageable.
But no matter however much girls flaunt before marriage, after marriage they tolerate everything. But boys get angry on small things.
Okay, but in my opinion, I think caring parents it's most important rather than roaming with friends and chill with friends. They won't care, and it's very important.
I think girls are apple of their parents' eyes. They do all the things according to their parents, but boys cannot do that.
No, I think so. It's not right what you said. Yes, it may be right that girls are apple of their parents' eyes. Then what we are, if you are pari of your house, that we are para of our parents. You know that. So we are also apple of our parents' eyes. So there are so many things you don't know. You even can't imagine that we have work pressure, we have job pressure, we have family pressure, so we have to manage so many things.
But girls can manage all the things together, not only the how business work.
Sorry to interrupt you, but I think Sonam is right because of job. Boys always do their work. They are not spending their time with parents or their friends. Also,
Okay, we should not fight. There should not be discrimination. There should not be fight. I think so. We should work together, and we should be more powerful and make our India advanced and strong. I believe that united we stand and divided we fall. So I can say both are apple of their parents' eyes.
Now you are on right path.
Of course, but you should believe we are more powerful.
No, I am not.
I'm just joking. Okay, thank you very much, and we will see you soon in next video. Thank you.
So much.